Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 3, element, compound and mixture. In this video, I am going to explain you a modern technique known as a chromatography. So let us know how we can define the term chromatography. Chromatography can be defined as the process of separating different dissolved constituents of the mixture by their adsorption on an appropriate appropriate material is known as chromatography. So this is the definition, dear student. Let us understand about it. The process of separating different dissolved constituent of the mixture by their adsorption on an appropriate material is known as a chromatography, dear student. So the common absorbent, the common absorbent used are silica gel or filter paper. These are the two common absorbent, silica gel and filter paper, dear student. Next is the common solvent. Common solvent. The common solvent are either it can be water, ethyl alcohol, or pigment present in the color. So let us understand about it. Take a beaker with the solvent. The solvent can be water, ethyl alcohol, or the acetic acid. Among this, water, ethyl alcohol, or the acetic acid, among this, one can be used as the solvent. Now, take filter paper. Filter paper and just put a marking, and below the marking immerse in the liquid. Below the marking immerse in the liquid, and above that spot of that dye. It can be spot here. So this is a beaker, filter paper, solvent used, and this is a spot. This spot is ink. The spot is the ink. So dear student, here you see this is the arrangement in which the solvent, either it can be water, ethyl alcohol, or acetic acid, and here we have placed a filter paper in which spot is that spot of the ink. Ink used to consist of the different type of the color. So as we do this arrangement, after that we will remove the filter paper. After few minutes, what we will see, all the color present in the ink can be separated. Are being separated, dear student. So this way, the different constituent of that mixture are being separated by the help of the process chromatography. By the help of the process chromatography, dear student. So basically, it is being used to separate the pigment present in the color. Let us know the advantages of chromatography. Advantages. First, very small quantity of the substance can be separated. Second, components with very similar physical and chemical properties can be separated. Can be separated. Third, it identifies these are the three basic advantages of chromatography. First, very small quantity of the substance can be separated, as I shown you here with the help of the diagram. The different are the pigment present in the ink all can be separated. Component with a very similar physical and chemical properties also can be separated. And third, it identifies all the components of the mixture. Let us know what are the uses of chromatography. Dear student, the uses of chromatography is to separate the pigment of natural color. Pigment of natural color also it is being used in the pathological test to detect the presence of drug in the blood. Also color in the dye. So these are the different uses of the chromatography, dear student. So please you learn the definition, common absorbent, common solvent used, also the advantages and uses of chromatography. Read and learn it. Thank you, dear student.